Artificial intelligence is advancing at an incredible pace, but as it becomes more powerful, it also raises critical questions. Should AI follow moral guidelines? Who decides what those guidelines are? And what happens if they're ignored? In today's video, we're diving into the ethical debates surrounding AI, exploring the challenges of creating moral systems for machines and the implications for our future. Let's start with the basics. Unlike humans, AI doesn't have emotions, instincts, or a sense of right and wrong. It's programmed to follow instructions, optimize outcomes, and achieve specific goals. But here's the catch. Without moral boundaries, AI could make decisions that are harmful, unfair, or even dangerous. For example, imagine an AI tasked with reducing traffic congestion in a city. If it's focused solely on efficiency, it might prioritize certain roads or areas while neglecting others, leading to inequality. Or consider facial recognition software used for law enforcement. If the data it's trained on contains bias, the AI could make discriminatory decisions, impacting lives unfairly. These scenarios highlight why moral guidelines are essential. They act as guardrails, ensuring AI systems operate in ways that align with human values, fairness, and safety. But here's the tricky part. Whose values should AI follow? Ethics aren't universal. What one culture or individual considers ethical might differ from another. For instance, some societies prioritize individual rights, while others focus on the greater good. This diversity makes it incredibly challenging to define a single set of moral guidelines that AI should follow globally. Even when we agree on basic principles, translating them into AI systems is no small task. Morality is complex and context-dependent. What's right in one situation might be wrong in another. For example, should a self-driving car prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians in an unavoidable accident? These are decisions humans struggle with, so how do we expect machines to handle them? To address these challenges, experts are turning to frameworks like ethical programming. This involves embedding moral principles into AI algorithms. For instance, ensuring fairness by avoiding bias in training data or prioritizing transparency so users understand how decisions are made. Companies like OpenAI and governments around the world are also developing guidelines to regulate AI's use, balancing innovation with responsibility. Still, challenges remain. One concern is accountability. If an AI system makes a harmful decision, who's responsible? The developer, the company, or the AI itself? Without clear accountability, enforcing ethical guidelines becomes difficult. Another challenge is enforcement. Even if we establish moral guidelines, there's no guarantee they'll be followed. Some organizations might prioritize profit over ethics, cutting corners or ignoring regulations to gain a competitive edge. This makes oversight and international cooperation crucial. But despite the challenges, there's hope. AI can also be a force for good, promoting fairness, reducing bias, and solving complex ethical dilemmas more objectively than humans. For instance, AI can be used to ensure equal access to opportunities, analyze and reduce systemic bias, or make decisions based on data rather than personal prejudice. So, should AI have moral guidelines? The answer is a resounding yes, but creating and enforcing those guidelines is a shared responsibility, one that requires input from developers, governments, businesses, and society as a whole. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we choose to use it. Thanks for watching Mind, Machine, and Marketing. If you enjoyed this exploration of AI ethics, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating intersections of technology, morality, and the future. See you in the next video.